What's going on, guys? Ryan from Subimods, and today I'm going to show you how to install an aftermarket replacement brake fluid reservoir cap. Now, this may seem like a pretty easy process, but I'm going to go over a couple things that you don't want to miss while doing the installation. Now, of course, our first step is going to be removing the factory brake fluid reservoir cap. Now, if you look, our aftermarket cap is roughly the same size, but if installed back on the vehicle, they tend to have somewhat of a loose fitting fit. Now, that loose fitting feeling that you're seeing is actually caused by the lack of this seal being transferred into the new unit. Let me show you how to do that. Now, this seal you can usually pry with your finger, and it comes out just like so, leaving an open cap just like the other one. Now, with this seal pinched, you can sit it right back into the new brake fluid reservoir cap. And with that installed, make sure it's sitting flush. From there, this can be reinstalled back onto your brake fluid reservoir, and you can see it is a much tighter fit. From there, always a good idea to just wipe it off just to make sure any of the residual brake fluid on your fingers didn't get on this new, fresh anodized coating. And from there, that's how the replacement of this cap is done.